Our road no good. Last year we protest. Last 2 years the same thing. So they never see answer us. We come write another letter again. They say they'll come. They say Buhari don't approve the road give them. Up till now, we never come start work. Road no good. Everywhere they spoil. I want to destroy every time. Now because people come out to come and protest. But this is not the third time they come and they protest. So we dey road now, think come answer us. If na next month, I go to answer us next month, we dey here. We wait for them. That's what they happen sometimes. They say sometimes, unfortunately, they happen to person. So they just accept patient. You do me one time, they come from Benin State. I was trapped on the road. I did the whole day in Lagos State. It don't still do me too. I trapped for road. And no be our fault. So I pity for the minute you relax. Maybe they come out for me there. Tell government say go to that Sapele Road. That's the issue. We not get issue with them. We not dey fight.
Okay, so today, this road we dey always do protest for here. They call Obaseki, they call the Edo State government. Make dem come freeze this road. Obaseki don first come here before. If we come, whether people dey collect money for am, we no know. They will come out for road. As they come again, na Shaibu and Tony Kabaka, na they come for here. Now they come beg Benin people when they dey for Sapele Road here for Ogheghe here so. They come say they will come freeze the road. Till date now they not freeze am. We ourselves when we dey go look for our daily bread, when we dey do our handwork, then they use am say they disturb us. Whether people when they dey here, whether na their selfish interest na they dey for here, we ourselves we no know. And when they fight for this protest, say make this road make them freeze am. Say we even say we elect Obaseki. Make it dey this and those make come freeze the road. At the end of the day, for ROCC for there so, this right lane when I dey so, Obaseki don abandon am for a very long time. He no at ten d to this side. The other one way when he dey, that one don still block. Na we ourselves we no get road for here. For us from here when we dey go loco, we no dey fit go work, we no dey fit come back. I no know the purpose when we say we elect Obaseki make it dey for the government, make it come rule us, make it come dey fix all this road for us. Now we dey cry, we dey call the state government, make dem try, make dem abeg, make dem come do this road for us, so that our father, our mother, when we say some dey sick now, they wan carry some go hospital, they no fit go hospital now, some are dying there. Make it abeg, make it come do am.
They will not get road. Check Ekpoma, check Agbede, check even this side this town here now where we dey, so this Benin City as the capital city of Edo State, no road. Talk to the land the area where concern this Edo State here, no road, no we made the airports do the road. If everywhere good now, we're dey happy with the situation of this nation or this country Nigeria. This one is Sapele Road, it lead to Delta State, Port Harcourt, even to Calabar, to other area. So made the airports.
Yesterday we watch news, we see Fashola, they complain about 12 million bridge where they don't build since, where people they pass. Where revenue they come out from this side to they do all those areas. Go from here now to Ring Road, no road. From here, Sapele Road here, from Ologbo to Adesuwa Junction, no road. People spend hours on this road. How many kilometers be this road? Where they not figure do for us? They say they don't approve money since something billion or whatever. Up till now, no work anywhere. Okay, with the best, okay, do palliative. Maybe they use for now before they do the procurement or whatever. Up to date, we not hear anything. So I think our best way we will take cry to everybody, to the government of Edo State, the federal government and all. So anyhow they want to do, we they here they wait. For we to leave this road, they must start to work for a place like Peanut. You spend like 3-4 hours before getting out of the traffic there. So after that one, I think we'll see progress there. Then we'll move come for us so that they work they come. But if not, we they here they wait.
For the past 4-5 years, we done the protest for federal government to come fix this Benin-Sapele Road for us. The last protest what we do na November last year, and the federal government promised say NNPC through their subsidiary NPDC they go come fix this road. They came, not be say they no come, they can't do small palliative for us here. Now rainy season don't they come again. We say we as the resident for this place, we no fit continue to dey suffer. Now we say make we come out again, send the same message we don dey send federal government since. Because the only message this our federal government dey hear na protest. So now we don't come out, come exercise our civic responsibility to protest peacefully. We no go destroy anything. The trucks as they dey here, so we dey protect them. The ones wey carry crude oil when they go crude, I dey specify am, they carry crude oil dey inside here, which they no suppose dey carry. The ones wey carry fuel, PMS, carry kerosene, diesel, all of them dey here. So we go grant them. In as much as say this road no get economic value to the country, we go grant them. Make all of us dey here. If the road get a value, federal government go come to our rescue to come fix this road with immediate alacrity. We not be before we will call the talk say anytime wey they like they call. This time we dey here till we see say they mobilize equipment come, they come start to dey do the work before we come up for this road.
Do this protest, agitate for the sake of the construction of this road. Most people they suffer here every year. For the past 6 years, we don't suffer this whole problem, and we can't say enough is enough. Before they do the transition into another government, the government presently need to come to our aid to do this road, make this road, just dey smooth and okay. Accident don't happen here. Trucks, so several trucks they collapse here, and we don't get accidents here. Even in the past, death of human beings and loss of properties. This thing they very, very demoralizing to the people who get this product. And so they know the economic value of this road. Maybe they can't do them. Then when they do them, the road they okay. We all go enjoy the road. That is why we dey do this agitation, and we dey do them peacefully.
Look at what people are doing to others. They told us that they have given them the money to repair this thing. My dear, you just see somebody that have two eyes should open their eyes to see what the government is doing to us. But tomorrow they will say everybody should come out to vote for them. After voting for them, they will begin to use people as a scapegoat. It's very wrong. I just choose this opportunity to tell them to repent, because Jesus Christ loved them. That is why he gave them chance to behave like this. I don't know the last day how it's going to be for them. The poor people is the one who puts them to the power. The same poor people now, for them to respect us, we are not even demanding anything from them, just to give us a better road for the masses or the poor to be passing. They also use it to suffer us. It's very wrong. Please, I beg you people in power, in the name of Jesus Christ, you will repent and do the will of God.
Every year, friend, Malo, every day I can view it. I'm not there. It's like I feel why I go. I'm not there. I'm not in school. I'm not there. What power is school? I'm not there. I say, man, where a government, no say you go. You might don't look at mine. I'm not there. I can't walk your part. A government, you are doing. We wouldn't my powder, Baba. Mamma, be my powder. A government never the bamba, never where yes, one anguna, my powder. When my hour on a boy, was of our, I don't say, Manala, Jamano, Kagel, Nuze. I do have to say my other one, whatever, what talk by.
I don't know. I just call here and I met the ghost through everywhere. I see that they have blocked the road. So I don't know who blocked road. I don't know what is happening. So that is the problem. I've been here now more than 1 hour. I don't even know how to explain what is happening here. Just everywhere blocked, closed everywhere. So I don't know what is happening. I'm going to Lagos as I'm now. I'm going to Lagos. I'm supposed to don't go far. But they block everywhere now. We don't know what to do. And we don't know what is happening.
Seriously, government has to do something about this road. Since last year till now, Edo State in general, do something about this road. We are all stranded here now. Only God knows when we are leaving this place. May God help us, Nigerians.
So even though say na concrete, major concrete, you go let us see the path. See last year.
Me and tipper driver, I go drop sand for site. On my way coming back to pit. Now I see say the Ogheghe block. I ask now, they say because of the bad road where government they promise say they will do and they not do am. So now keep me here. So I just wait whether they will clear am before I pass. That is the reason when until the here. And 1 hour ago now, I don't the day here.
The way the bypass be now, see the sound so every time people when they stay around this environment, they already complain about how this bypass road stay very bad. Government when we get, they'll come say they want to do road. Road no they let them they do. Hope you understand. Road no they let them they do. If you don't reach where we say you don't want to do the road now towards that kind rainy season, now they say they want to do road. They can't do the road. If they wait till happen, one and not to do the road, they say now call rainy season. Now make they no get do the road. It don't make sense now. Just imagine. Road no good, nothing. Share the sounds everywhere. See, road no good. You know make sense now. We know there are people. Say sound now, sound. People now, sound. You imagine now. See, If the road good now, shade motos and everything for the move. You know make sense now.
Our tankers dey fall for here every day by day. No week tanker no dey fall for this road. No week motor no dey fall for this road. The road don too bad. Make government make una answer us for this road.
Too bad because since last month we no dey fit dey pass here. When we pass our bottom plate go burst, engine, nothing. So we are just suffering, even though the water, no road to pass. Can you imagine that we are here 6 morning now, we didn't even go to work. Please, we are begging the state government to come and help us.